Hi, let's learn how to type text in a circle shape, like this one. Let's go. This is a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas or artboard. So first, let's make a circle. Go to the left panel. On this rectangle, right-click and then select Ellipse tool. While holding down left-click on your mouse, hold down Shift key on your keyboard and then drag your mouse to make a perfect circle. You can use the selection tool to move this circle or go to Properties, Align, click these more options and make sure Align to is set to Align to Artboard. And then click Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. So you'll notice that the circle is already centered on our artboard. And then go to Layers. Here's our first circle. Just copy and paste to make another circle. Since we need two circles on this design. So on the first circle, go to Type, right-click, select Type on a path tool. You will notice our cursor change into this icon. Just move this onto the path and then left-click. Go to Properties. Let's change the font size. Let's make it 100 and then enter. On paragraph, click this Align Center. And then just move your mouse here again, select all, and then type how to type text. And then go to the left panel, select Direction tool. Make sure this one is selected, Direct Selection tool. Go here and then drag this line up to the center. This, just center. Here, Sun Vito Pro. Go to Layers and then select the other circle, the second circle. Same as what we do with the first circle. Go to the Type and then type on a tool path. Move the cursor on this path and then type. Go to Properties. Make sure it is aligned to center. And then use this Direction Selection tool. Move this on the center. Oops, sorry. Again. Let's go to Layers Select the first layer, go to type on a path, select type on a path options. Check preview. Then here, select center and then hit OK. And same on the second circle. Click type on a path, type on a path options, preview, center, hit OK. So there. And then let's make another circle. Let's use the selection tool, or you may go to let's double check properties and then horizontal align center and vertical align center just to make it centered. And then on the left panel, select type tool, then type AI, select or use selection tool, and then hold down Shift key to retain the size of the text, and then move, and then let's swap the color. Let's make it white, and then this no fill. So let's resize it. Let's go to properties and select, what's that? Here. Here's the font. So there. Let's select this first circle and then go to properties. Go to character, then in here, let's just adjust the characters. 75 or 50, 75, 50. Then go to layers again, select the second circle, and then another 50. So there. Ta-da! And there you have it. I hope you learned something useful. You may comment down below if you have questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated with my new videos. Bye!
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes.